While searching for information, do you keep finding lawyers who are just selling their services instead of answering your questions? With 24 years of experience, I am familiar with the frustrations you may have while making an injury claim through an auto insurance company. I do my best to actually answer your questions in these videos and in my free book. I am Arizona native and attorney Kevin Fine, and in this video I answer your questions about the proper use of bike lanes by runners and cyclists. There's very little overlap between my hobby of running and my career as a personal injury lawyer, but there are traffic law issues that arise for runners. One of these is whether a runner may use a bike lane. I've heard various opinions online and among my friends in the East Valley Runners Club. I did some research recently and found an apparent answer, which surprised me because it conflicts with both the lore and the practice among most runners. The beginning of the analysis apparently starts with Arizona Revised Statute 28-815C. It states that a path or lane that is designated as a bicycle path or lane by state or local authorities is for the exclusive use of bicycles. End quote. That seems remarkably clear for something that has created so much confusion. If there's a bike path or lane, only bicycles can use it. That is what exclusive means. Even I can't argue that a runner is a bicycle. But it is important to understand what constitutes a bike path. Herein lies hope for the runners. The Manual of Uniform Traffic Control Devices makes recommendations to government bodies about how to do things like making a bike path. ARS 28-641 basically mandates that Arizona follow it. That MUTCD manual states that longitudinal pavement markings shall be used to define bicycle lanes. End quote. That language suggests that all that is needed to define a bike path is the white line along the side of the road, nothing more. However, the MUTCD also has guidance about how and where to put the words bike lane and the familiar bicycle drawing. In addition, the Maricopa County Department of Transportation has its own manual for such things. The manual clearly requires a longitudinal line along the side of the road and a directional arrow and a depiction of a bicycle, at least the 2005 version I found online, in order to mark a bike path. So between these two sources, it seems that a marked area on the side of the road that does not have all three, or at least two, is something other than a bike path addressed in ARS 28-815. But what this research indicates is that a bike lane in Arizona is one that has a line down the side of the road, plus a depiction of the bicyclist and a direction arrow, as mandated in the MCDOT manual. When a true bike path exists, only bikes are legally permitted to use it. I answer more of your questions in my other videos, articles on my firm's website, and in my free book. Because your situation will be different in significant ways, the general information I presented here may not be right for your matter and is not legal advice. If you wish to talk to me about your concerns more specifically, I do offer a free consultation. You can set up that visit or you can order the free book through the contact information on the banner below. Thank you.